There are two things that show how impactful the DNA evidence was, how much it impressed everybody who heard it. First is the verdict. The jury found Julian Washington guilty of all charges, but there seems to me to be a story in how their verdict came in, right? Because it wasn't unanimous for all the charges. Unanimous mean all the jurors say guilty or not guilty. So Bermuda allows non-unanimous jury verdicts, which means that you can have 9 people say guilty and that will be accepted instead of all 12. Julian Washington was charged for 4 crimes: murder, attempted murder, firing a gun, and handling ammunition. Only 9 out of the 12, only 9 jurors found him guilty of murder, attempted murder, and firing the gun. All 12 found him guilty of handling ammunition. What does that mean to you? Tell me if what it means to me is the same thing that it means to you. That there were some jurors who said, I am not convinced that he went and he did the shooting. The evidence doesn't lead me to that conclusion, but I have to accept that he did touch the bullets. They were saying that we don't know, we are not convinced that he did this crime, but we can't escape the fact that 1 in 46 million means that he had to have done it. The second thing that shows how powerful the DNA evidence was is that after Julian was convicted, he appealed to the Court of Appeal. And at the Court of Appeal, his lawyer came at the conviction from many different angles. But one of the things the lawyer attacked was the DNA evidence. He pointed to problems in Ms. Zuliga's approach and interpretation. And what do you think happened?